12.
12.
12.
Pića.
Beverages.
Beverages.
Ja pijem čaj.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
Ja pijem kavu.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Ja pijem mineralnu vodu.
I drink mineral water.
I drink mineral water.
Piješ li čaj s limunom?
Do you drink tea with lemon?
Do you drink tea with lemon?
Piješ li kavu sa šećerom?
Do you drink coffee with sugar?
Do you drink coffee with sugar?
Piješ li vodu s ledom?
Do you drink water with ice?
Do you drink water with ice?
Ovdje je tulum.
There is a party here.
There is a party here.
Ljudi piju pjenušac.
People are drinking champagne.
People are drinking champagne.
Ljudi piju vino i pivo.
People are drinking wine and beer.
People are drinking wine and beer.
Piješ li alkohol?
Do you drink alcohol?
Do you drink alcohol?
Piješ li viski?
Do you drink whiskey?
Do you drink whiskey?
Piješ li kolu s rumom?
Do you drink Coke with rum?
Do you drink Coke with rum?
Ne volim pjenušac.
I do not like champagne.
I do not like champagne.
Ne volim vino.
I do not like wine.
I do not like wine.
Ne volim pivo.
I do not like beer.
I do not like beer.
Beba voli mlijeko.
The baby likes milk.
The baby likes milk.
Dijete voli kakao i sok od jabuke.
The child likes cocoa and apple juice.
The child likes cocoa and apple juice.
Gospođa voli sok od naranče i grejpa.
The woman likes orange and grapefruit juice.
The woman likes orange and grapefruit juice.